Setting up the Canon MG3070S is super easy. Anyone can just call our toll-free number for step-by-step help. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up your Canon PIXMA MG3070S printer step-by-step. Let's get started. First, remove the printer from the box. Take out all packaging materials, ink cartridges, and the power cable. Open the printer cover and install the black and color ink cartridges. Make sure they click into place properly. Now, load plain A4 paper into the rear paper tray and adjust the paper guides. Plug the printer into a power outlet and press the power button. Wait for the printer to finish initializing. Next, go to Canon's official website and download the MG3070S driver. Install the software and follow the on-screen instructions. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button until the light starts blinking. Then connect the printer using the Canon Print app or your computer setup wizard. Finally, print a test page to confirm your printer is working properly. That's it. Your Canon PIXMA MG3070S is ready to use. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides.